Oh man, it's so heavy!
Hurry up! Everyone is waiting for the epic unboxing!
Are you guys ready for this? Yeah!
This is the biggest Kinder Egg ever. I think it's time we crack this open.
I've been waiting for this all day. Look at this chocolate!
Wow, that is absolutely massive. What an epic unboxing.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
It's Sam!
It's Woody Woodpecker. Whoa! Ooh, it's Woody Woodpecker. That was awesome. Don't miss the next unboxing.
Subscribe!